This is normal distribution percentile rank question. You could see it on the AP statistics exam. I'm Anna Ludi, and I've been teaching statistics for over 25 years. In this video, I will show you the exact calculator steps that you'll need to use in Bluebook app. And please stay till the end, because I will also show you how you can check your answer to make sure that it actually makes sense. Starting 2026, AP Statistics exam is offered in Bluebook app, but it also will include the free Desmos graphing calculator. With this calculator, you do not have to bring a handheld calculator. You don't have to worry about the batteries because it's going to be available from inside the exam. I will show you exactly how it looks like. If you click on the calculator, this is how it's going to look like. It's just going to hover over the exam. Now, because this is normal distribution, let's go ahead and get there. So how do you get there? You're going to click on the plus sign right here. Then you're going to go to inference. There it is. And then you click on probability distributions. And the very first distribution that pops up is the normal distribution, which is what you need. And you are told that the mean is 1060 and standard deviation is 200. That's all you do. And then you just scroll down and click create distribution. The next thing you need to do is expand the cumulative probability option. And here you have to be very careful in what you are going to select under region and under compute. Now, because they give you a value and ask you percent, if that's the case, then you are looking for area, so you do not need to change this. However, if they give you a percent and ask you for a value, like what would be your score, then you would change it to bounds. So because they told me that somebody got 1100 on the SAT, that's going to be the area. And where am I going to put it? Okay, percentile, always remember, it's area to the left, percentage of people that are worse than you. So you're going to switch to left. And then in the blank right here, you're going to put right in here, you're going to put your number. And that's 1100. Okay, the calculator gave you an answer, 0.579. But it is not in percent, so you have to convert it to percent by multiplying by 100. You can do this in your head by just moving the decimal point to the right, and that's going to be 57.9. If you do not want to do that, you can just click on the little arrow here and click on export the snapshot, which is just going to give you the number underneath, and then you multiply this by 100. And if you need to round, you're just going to select or type the command round. Okay, and that will round to the nearest whole number. And that means that the answer is 58. So this is going to be the 58th percentile you're going to be in. Now, as promised, I'm going to also explain how do we know that this is the right answer. Let's focus on the mean here, and the mean is 1060. This person got 1100. Because that person got a score that's higher than the mean, there is no way for this person to be in the 13th, right, percentile, or 42nd or 20th, because that's less than 50%. And now we're down between 87th or 58th. However, this person with 1100 is not that far away from the mean. It is very doubtful that it's going to be 87th percentile, because that means that that person is really, really good. So that would be really high. And that means that this is also wrong. And that just gives you 58th percentile.